A rare opportunity for your dream home on a quiet cul-de-sac in Tualatin's premier neighborhood of Victoria Woods. Within walking distance to great schools, it also offers quick access to coffee shops, parks, and I-5. The long driveway and established landscaping lead to this estate-style home. Discover huge living spaces, massive windows flooding the home with natural light, a gas fireplace, custom built-ins, and soaring ceilings. The open-concept family room leads to the spacious kitchen with a large cooktop island and tons of storage space. The sunny eating nook opens to the backyard retreat, featuring a new hot tub with privacy enclosure, new patio, new fence, and a flat, usable yard. Gorgeous windows frame the formal living room and dining room, accented with beautiful woodwork. Updates include new carpet and new windows on the main level. You'll also find a spacious office or fifth bedroom. Upstairs, double doors open to the primary suite with a tray ceiling. And you can relax in the elegant primary bath with separate vanities. And a large walk-in closet. This home of more than 3,300 square feet has 3 other sizable bedrooms on this upper level, built-ins. And another full bath. Enjoy ultimate privacy just outside your back doors, in a space perfect for relaxing from the stress of the day or entertaining friends and family. You'll also find a large 3-car garage, a true retreat back into the urban growth boundary. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to own this expansive and well-built home in Victoria Woods. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.